Her vibrations on the plate, live the flavor elevate. Her queen's alchemy, baby. Everything I create, her frequency, the flavor.
It smells so good. Now let me show you how I got here. All right, so today we're making vegan chicken pot pie, the kind of dish that lets everybody know you cooked on purpose. First, we're going to start with the potatoes diced and dropped into the pot with a vegetable broth, nothing dramatic. Then the carrots come through next, sliced just right, bringing a little sweetness and that pop of color that says, yes, this is pot pie. Then the celery, chopped nice and fine because celery understands its role. Now we're going to get to this onion. This is where the aroma starts talking. Diced small because nobody wants to bite into a whole opinion of an onion. We want to blend it, soften, and minding its business. And that goes into the bowl with the carrots, celery, and onions. And next is the jackfruit. You know, that's the star of the show. We're going to shred it down and chop it up fine so that it layers perfectly. And we're going to season it up real good with all the right seasoning. As you know, you can find those seasonings in the description. Now, we're going to take that celery, onions, and carrots and put it in the pan. We're going to saute it up until it starts to soften. And that smell, that's the sign that something good is officially happening. Meanwhile, we move over to the crust. We go ahead and press that in the bottom. Yeah, that's a store-bought pie crust. No shame in my game. We cooking smart today. Now we're going to go ahead and add in that mixture of vegetables. And then we're going to throw that jackfruit in that pot to go ahead and saute it up. And then we're going to add these potatoes. Yep. We're going to spread those on there evenly like that. Yes. And then comes those sweet peas, frozen, classic, and always on time. And then we're going to add in just a little bit of corn for a special sweet taste. We're going to spread it all out. Now we're going to throw that jackfruit right on top. Look at there. Yes, bringing it all together. Y'all know how I like to build. Now comes the creaminess. Coconut milk goes on first, followed by a little vegetable broth, just enough to keep everything smooth and cozy, not heavy. And now we're going to slow it down. Y'all, it's seasoning time. But before we do that, we're going to set our oven to 400. And let's get to the seasoning. First, the thyme for warm and familiar. Then we're going to add a little parsley, fresh, light, and doing just enough. Onion powder, reinforcing the message, and garlic powder because garlic is non-negotiable. Add that black pepper with a little attitude, and you know we can't leave out that Himalayan sea salt because that brings everybody into alignment. We stir it all together gently, making sure nothing gets left out. Now for the top, puff pastry cut into squares, laid across the top, simply playful and minding its assignment. Into the oven it goes. And when it comes out, baby, woo-hoo-hoo, it's golden brown, bubbling, smelling like somebody did their thing. Now, we're going to cut into it slowly. Getting ready to plate it up. The steam is rising, layers showing, and just like that, whew, comfort with confidence. Yes, let's taste.
It's food that your body and your spirit celebrate. Every bite of vibration, every bowl a gateway. Yeah, yeah. Vibrations on the plate.
This is perfect. This is pot pie at its finest. Cheers.
We're changing lives one plate at a time. Press play. Her vibrations on the plate, watch the energy translate.